Now I'm going to unbox the iPhone 6 digitizer from Globtech. Now, I'd have to say the box is very strong card. It's like a reinforced card that's very thick and strong. It would ship extremely well. And if we open the panel here, we can see this foam inside. Now there is also some bubble wrap that I just previously moved to aid the video. Now inside we have a Phillips screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, a pry device, small plastic pry device for prying the device open, and we also have a suction cup which is used in opening the device to pull the front screen out. Right, and anything else in there? Let's have a look. There's everything in there. Now we have a replacement seal. Now the replacement seal is for the home button, because while the unit is complete, the home button is specific for your iPhone fingerprinting, so you need to move the iPhone home button over. It's very easy to do. You've got a SIM card extraction tool in there as well, a little bonus tool that you don't really need to use for this process. Right, here's the replacement digitizer itself. This one's for the iPhone 6 Plus, and this is the Globtech branded iPhone digitizer. It ships complete, so it's fully assembled. You don't have to do anything apart from the simple installation process we'll show you in the next part of the video. And then there's a screen protector for the 6 Plus. It's very hard thick plastic screen protector, very strong. What else do we have? We also have a cleaning cloth for polishing your screen. Okay, and that's basically what you get inside the box with Globtech.
Now the first thing we need to do is we need to open the iPhone 6 Plus, and to do so we remove the two screws that are located next to the USB port, and for this we will use the 5-point star pentalobe screwdriver. Now keep the screws somewhere safe because we will be using those again. Now this installation video is suitable for the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 6 Plus. The procedure is identical. Now we add the suction cup to the front of the screen located near the home button for better leverage. Insert the pry tool gently, never applying much force, just to ease the phone screen out of its casing. Working your way around. Now move it up about 3 millimeters and bring the screen out. Now you've got a shielding cover that keeps the connectors in place for the screen. Now you need to remove those 5 screws in any order, and then we can remove the connectors. Now using the pry tool again, gently just apply a little bit of pressure underneath the connector, not underneath the ribbon cable. Be sure not to bend any of the ribbon cables, just under the edge, and they just pop off. And it's the same process to add them back on. Just coming under the back slightly with the pry tool, and there's all of the connectors there, nearly off. The last one. There we go, just gently easing them up. There we go. Now the iPhone 6 digitizer is fully assembled, but we will need to remove your home button from your pre-existing damaged old digitizer. Now it's a very simple process. First, remove the first screw from the shielding. Remove the home button. Remove both the screws. Now the home button has a small ribbon cable, and the connector's the same as the screen connectors. It will just pop off. Now we remove the seal from the old home button, and we'll be reusing that home button for your new digitizer. Just remove the seal and note the placement of the seal is on the back of the button, the front of the button being outside fasciaed white or black. And then use the frame of the seal, plastic frame, to then aid you in reinserting the home button onto the new replacement seal. Now when you re-add the home button into your assembly, just note for the home button ribbon cable the two small plastic pegs that hold the ribbon cable in place, and the connector just gently pops down onto the home button connector there. Now to reassemble the device, replace the shielding for the screen connectors. Gently move down the device. Now there is a catch at the bottom of the screen that you move down about 2 or 3 millimeters down, like so, and then once it's all in place and the edge is connected all around, you apply a little bit of pressure to the top to bring the screw threads in line, so that you can reinsert the 2 screws, and the screw threads will line up with the holes as you apply the slight pressure.